To automatically lower volume of other audio playing when talkback speak in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap talkback. Tap setting. Under audio section, tap sound and vibration. And then tap the gray on offset next to audio ducking to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. When this option is on, your phone will automatically lower the volume of other audio playing when talkback speak, so you can understand it better. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.